Yes, how are you, madam? Evening. Let's look at question 5. Question 5, this question is talking about testing hypothesis. So let's go through the question together. In a certain drug was administered to 456 out of 720 men in a certain locality to test its efficacy against typhoid disease. The incidence of typhoid is shown in the table below. The question is saying find out the effectiveness of the drug against the disease. So what we're looking for is the effectiveness of the drug against the disease, and this disease is called what? Typhoid. So this one was administered to 456. The total was 720 to check the efficiency against the typhoid disease, and this incident of the typhoid is shown in the table below, this table below. So the question is saying, question is starting from where? From here, saying find out the effectiveness of the drug against the disease. So this kind of a question, when you're dealing this kind of a question, when you have this kind of data, there are some distribution. Last time we talked about normal distribution. Yes, now this one I'm going to look at the chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution. So chi-square distribution is subscript symbol is the fancy x squared at the critical value of 3.84 and 5% level of significance. Now I'll explain this when you reach at the table to use. There's a chi-square table. There's also a normal distribution table. So under distribution, there are some tables that we use. So this is the data. So here is saying treated with the drug. This one not treated with the drug. So some remember, some from the question, some were treated with, out of 720, those administered were about how many? 456. But some were not. It means some out of 720, some were not. So this is the information given the table here below. So there's treated with the drug. Then those who are in infection, 144. No infection, 312. Then the total for those who are treated, when add the calculators here, when add 144 plus 312, when add you have the total for those who are treated with a drug. The total is how many? 456. Then there's also showing here no treated with a drug. So not treated with a drug, they discovered that for those infection there is 192, and for those no infection there's 72. But when you add the total for no infection, you add the 192 plus 72 is giving us 264. Now this table, the way it is, when you add for total those who are for infection, total dose 144 plus 192, we are going to have 336. You can confirm these values on your free time. Then also for those with no infection, it is 312 plus 72, which is giving us 384. Then now the total for those who are treated with drugs, the total plus for those not treated with drugs, when you add the total,